Hello people, it's Progs and today it's time for some deep learning. So it's totally different from before. It's not playing games, but it's just my current research and I have to, go through it, and I actually want to do that because that's what I decided to do, right? And it's actually the first time I stream about it, but let's check that. Basically, that's the current plan. The goal is to generate music, and for that I want to use diffusion, basically, which is just what DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion uses. So if we search, for example, Stable Diffusion model, you can see a bunch of different things, right? And well, if you don't know much about it, about Stable Diffusion, it's just, an AI generating images, okay? And yeah, basically, kind of every model right now. Let me just... maybe it's a bit loud. And yeah, basically every image generation model, or almost, right now uses diffusion because it's nice to generate high quality images, but also to have diversity in the generation compared to GAN, for example. So GAN, which are just generative adversarial networks. So we can, for example, generate faces that seem real, right, with GANs. But with Stable Diffusion, we can create kind of like fantasy kind of pictures. That's kind of the difference. Well, models just don't use only diffusion, right? They use like a bunch of little things. So right now in Stable Diffusion you have the diffusion model, okay, in the middle, but you have also a variational autoencoder, a VAE, in the end, basically, to compress the data. You can say it's just zipping the data and extracting it later. And then you have all the conditioning, which is just using text to have an impact on the generation of the image. For example, conditioning can be other things than text. For example, it can just be another image, like if you want a variation, or it can also be a pose, right? Like with control net, Stable Diffusion. Yeah, you can basically, generate images with a specific pose, as you can see. So yeah, and basically right now, what I'm doing is just using diffusion to, well, for now, just have a simple model to generate images, because it's the easiest way to test if it's working or not, right? Like, we can see there are some butterflies that are great. Same here, if you look. It's like lower resolution, right? But it's still okay. And now that I have that, something that can generate like images that are correct, well, mostly correct. The goal is to just do that with music, basically. So for now, I'm just going to copy one music. I wasn't thinking about Twitch and stuff. Oh, never mind. I have the music. Never mind. Okay, so yeah, I can watch. It's been a while, so I have to remember things a little. remind myself. But basically I have some kind of how do you call that? Framework. Where I have training models and runtime models, which are just C++ libraries, basically. The code is available on GitHub, by the way. It's like right there, music generation framework. You have a lot of, little things and readmes to know how to do that. And that's it, I guess. Okay. That was an introduction, I guess. So now, yeah, I'm using PyTorch to generate that, which is just a deep learning framework on Python, in Python. So what I do is I train my models in Python, because even if you can use that in other languages, it's just better in Python, because you have you can display graphs too, you can, well, it's made for that, right? And what I'm doing is basically just potentially preparing the data in C++, and then training the model in Python, having the model in OneNX, and then running the model in C++ for potential near real-time. Hey, Facial Grisam, hello! Yeah, if you have any question, just, feel free to ask. I was just kind of introducing the stuff. So yeah, just gonna use diffusion. Stable diffusion does. And I do have some butterflies. And yeah, the goal is totally to copy music, because it's, to test if the model works or not. And yeah, on top of PyTorch, which is just for deep learning in general, I'm gonna use Diffusers, which is a library of Hugging Face. Hugging Face, which is a really good website if you need anything about deep learning. Like you have datasets, you have pre-trained models, you have really a lot of stuff. They look like the butterflies that my cat has attacked. I do have a lot of butterflies. Well, even the butterflies. Let me just check quickly. The dataset is... what is it? Yeah. Hagan Smithsonian butterflies. And if I search that, it's just on Hugging Face too. And you can also see the butterflies. Literally, right there. And you have a lot of butterflies. So there are 1,000 of butterflies. And if you check at my computer, I just have in flowers a bunch of flowers. I do have a lot of flowers. Look at that. Just a lot of flowers. That's incredible. That's really funny. Imagine someone is stealing your computer and they just find a lot of flowers or butterflies or I don't know. People thinking you're just crazy, right? So many flowers. Every color of the world. I did a bit with MNIST handwriting dataset. Oh yeah, I did too. It's nice. I tried doing that with... well, I do have something here. Training... maybe with TensorFlow. Maybe I removed it actually. Wait, do I have... MNIST? Yeah, I do have the MNIST dataset, but FashionMNIST too. FashionMNIST is just MNIST but with clothes, basically. Doesn't seem like I have anything here, but I think I do on Windows because I'm on Linux right now. Because well, the Linux environment. Because the thing is, if you're on Windows, you can, well, it's really hard to use your GPU for training. For example, TensorFlow had support on Windows for GPU, but it was like a few versions ago, which is like, well, a lot of versions ago. And kind of the same with, well, I guess PyTorch. I don't really know, but I couldn't make it work on Windows. So yeah, just using Linux is just better, you know. Easier on Linux. Well, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And let me quickly open another folder, actually. Is it document? Oh, wait, it's actually... Okay, got it. Let me just get that back. Actually, just melody. And I have the Git repo. Okay, that's a future game I'm working on. Well, not really. I'm not really working on it right now, I guess. But a lot of stuff I do and decisions I take are for making this game. So, like, for example, my Jam Games 2, it's like on the path, right? And it's not the main, well, it's not the goal, but it's like, you know. And I think that's it. I think I do have some training models. Touch VAE. Yeah, I do have MNIST. I think I like train. Basically, I tried to generate MNIST with a VAE and diffusion. I found the Windows tools were buggy and sometimes needed workarounds. Yeah, well, that's not. I guess it's for Windows, for Linux deep learning most of the time because efficiency rate. What's the description of the game? Oh, you mean this one? Melody against despair. Well, basically, I started my research about basically, yeah. Let me just, you know what? Let me just explain you my research first a little more, because it's going to be easier to explain the game, the description of the game. Nihon Genkyu in research. Let me probably show you that again. So yeah, I have that. And V3. I guess V3 is okay. I think it's a bit old still, but basically I have a lot of things that are not really important. But the goal is... Okay, that's bullshit. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to show that. The goal is to be able to generate music in near real time. So you can, for example, generate transitions between two different sections of a music, you know, and like transition other than just fade in and fade out, and layering. And potentially, well, I was thinking, what could I do with that? Because when you make a project, no matter what it is, when you make a tool, rather, the best way to test it and to show it to people is to make a, you know, create a concrete example with it. So my AI was targeted for game music generation. And I thought, what kind of game can I make that could test my AI, basically? And I thought about like a game where the player could, you know, well, it has to do with music, right? And basically I think my game is just going to be a RPG game where the player can change basically music, and it's going to affect the different players, the different characters the player controls, potentially boosting them, or I don't know, and some kind of action RPG game. Like my main reference is Mario and Luigi RPGs, because you have to press specific inputs at a specific time. Let's see the fight. Basically, that's an RPG, and if you decide to use an ability, you have to press the button at the correct time to succeed. And what I wanted to do is basically, when you have music, you have, beats, for example, and I want the player to basically press the button at the correct time, at the correct beat, and try to fuse the gameplay with the music. And having an RPG helps in potentially having a small delay with the music generation. So it isn't really real-time generation, but near real-time. And I guess that's why I want to make that. But I guess I have some more story behind it and gameplay, and I guess it's going to be some kind of narrative RPG game. The players will attack each other with music. It's a solo game, but it's going to be a solo game. But yeah, basically fight monsters while changing music, to have different patterns, and pressing buttons at the correct time with the music. Well, I was thinking, for example, that the player could create, his own attacks. Like, for example, deciding to add some BPM, or, to modify the music a little into a different genre, to have a different effect on the ability. And you have to press at different times, but that way it could be like kind of generic, and you have your own experience because you can make your own music basically. So sounds experimental. Well, yeah, I guess originally it's just some kind of the idea is just to have some kind of prototype to test the AI. And I think that even if I have the AI, I may not use it to make unintentional pun. Yeah, the music experimental. Yeah, experimental music is like a whole genre, but yeah, I guess it's kind of different, but hard to make. Well, it's going to be some prototype at first. Probably just going to make the fighting system at first and see how it goes. Well, I have to make the AI first, right? So that's why I'm doing that right now, right? And yeah, I have like a lot of ideas, I guess. I don't want to spoil, but I guess it's going to change probably a lot. It's not really a lot. Let me maybe show you more. I have documents that I have to sort. Maybe that. Oh, that's bullshit. Did it template? Wait, I don't have... Oh, game design doc, yeah. Okay, there isn't anything. I really have to make a document, I guess. I do have to make a document. Basically, you get into a village. Just gonna tell you about the lore, kinda, and the general, game. You get into a village where everything is, just black and white, like dark, kind of like a bad mood, like everyone is in despair, and yeah, hence the name, Melody Against Despair. And the player, the protagonist, Melody, it's her name. She's just some kind of musician, and everyone is in despair, but she starts to play music and make people feel better, basically. So yeah, she just tried to, help people feel better, but every night, well, during the day she tries to do that, but she doesn't have the time to help everyone, right? And at nights, you have basically some kind of monsters, like darkness, you can say, that just try to get into the village and spread despair. And basically the villagers have to defend, but they are losing hope, so like Melody, gets into the fight too by playing music and basically encouraging people to fight and to continue. And yeah, and the goal is, that's the RPG part. But yeah, basically the goal is just to survive and try to help and heal people with music, while trying to defend the village from monsters in the night. Figment, oh. Is that a similar game? Oh, music. Anyway.
Happened here? Trauma in the conscious mind. The nightmares have come unconfined. They've seized our lands without remorse. We hide in fear behind closed doors.
Music-based game that I have played, not based, but theme. Yeah.
We've got a nightmare to end. So if you nightmares escape the gate, you're scared, huh? You have
It seems pretty cartoonish.
But the mind now needs your aid again.
Visitors of delightfully inconvenient.
Defeating a nightmare, I'll confess, should put an end to all this mess.
Art Face, we're coming to get you!
To end the nightmares.
They are fierce to fight and a hero never sleeps.
I
Look at this place.
guess it looks like some... when I say RPG, I meant turn-based. Sorry.
I'm saving my step for kicking
I guess it's different in this aspect. Yeah, turn-based like Mario and Luigi RPG. I'm worried about the copyright of the music. Figment. Looks nice. Cheap. Very positive. At time. And yeah, I think like the difference is that the player won't, fight in real time, but more turn-based. And when I said it was going to be narrative, it's also that, the day you have to play music for people, but basically you don't have the time to do that for everyone, so you have to decide who you are going to play music for and who to help. And depending on who you choose, well, you're going to have different allies, different fighters, different effects on the story, and yeah. I thought I have played a music-themed game before, so I thought I would share. Yeah. I mean, it's really nice. I can probably get some things from that. I want to... Okay, let me write it on my other computer. Write it, I mean, not it. Pigments. Got it. But yeah. Yeah, I have to... If I want to do that, I have to make a... Well, I mean, the game, I have to make a prototype. And, test the gameplay and this kind of stuff. There's probably going to be a free demo anyways. And I guess I'm, if I finish the game, probably going to make it Well, not free. But well. That's it. And that's why I'm trying to make music, I guess. Well, I guess I kinda inverted. Yeah, I kinda inverted the goal. Because at first that was the goal. But yeah. I mean, it doesn't really matter anyways. What the goal is. Because everything is just a path. Everything you do is just getting experience and, you know, it's good anyways. So okay, butterflies. So the goal is right now just to copy music. Like I have a DDIM model that I can run. And now I basically just want to use DDIM on music to copy it. But I don't have the data yet, the input vector of the model. So actually, wait, what do I need? Because let me just check results. Training. I do have a bunch of stuff. I was supposed to have oh, I do, okay. Settings. I do have a bass, sound font, and music. And in module, in data analysis, MIDI to vector. Is that it? Can I run that? I do have basically the different times they reason out, the different timings right now. Can I keep a timing? I think yeah, I don't have music.play. Can I do that? Can't control. Okay. Wait, what's the shortcut? Waiting for second. Oh, it's not control K. Wait, what is it to comment? Control U. Okay, U. Yeah, okay. Just forgot because of Godot. That music. Can I run that? Segmentation fault. Incredible. Got it. Yeah, I have to fix that too, I guess. Music test. Test is that. For now, let's just try something really stupid, which is just a while true. And pass. And it's going to play music. I do have to fix that seg fault. Yeah, it is working. So yeah, there's basically something wrong with the destructor of music, I guess. Oh wait, yeah, it's because of the... Got it. Yeah, basically Beethoven für Elise. Yeah, it is. It is. I just have basically Yeah, I'm just going to use classical music right now most of the times, because it's old, and the copyrights are not holding anymore. Yeah, I try to be careful about that. I'm trying to use when I'm going to train my model on MIDI. So I'm going to use the like MIDI dataset. If you don't know what it is, it just that you have a bunch of MIDI files, but I won't be able to use everything. So yeah, the license is CC by Creative Commons 4 basically. So I just have to credit it. But yeah, I do have to filter a lot of musics. And right now, I don't know if the dataset will be correct enough because I have to, probably get a good subset based on what I want. For example, if I want only musics that are in 4/4 time signature, I have to get and extract these musics. But not every music in the dataset, the MIDI dataset have a 4/4 signature. So I have to be careful about that, for example. And for example, I have to do the same with instruments because I won't be learning instruments, but just notes at the moment. So for example, if I just want to generate a piano music, it's probably better if I, just take piano pieces. This kind of stuff. But yeah, and I don't know yet. So that's why I want to copy a single music for now to test if it is working for that music, basically. And yeah, you have to take, okay, so many things to be careful about. There's also the duration of the music, for example. So let's just try to run and run Python segmentation fault. Yeah. So it's because of music.play. When I do that, what happens? I just create and play async. And that's probably what, is a problem. Because I think I'm not waiting for, and I'm not destroying the player, basically. But let's just try to check that. So we have that in C++. We have player feature, which is just std async. And when we destroy, we have player stop. And in stop, what do we have? What's player? It's in player async. We have that, destroy, the CPP. Right there, I guess. Destroy, we just have, wait, player stop, so that's the C function. And the C++, wait. Oh, maybe it's, yeah, maybe it was polymorphic actually. Let's just public. Is it in everything? No, it's not. So that's Python. I don't want that. It's in, okay, there are only 2 files. I do have the feature here. And destroy, I just have that. Because it's a C function. Read player async. Read synth player async destroy. I don't have that function. I don't have the stop function in. Wait, that's weird. Play, stop, within player. I don't. Oh. That's kind of weird. Maybe that's why it just, Let me try compiling the code, actually. So to do that, I just have to, well, I have a readme, actually, which is like really helping. You can just copy that. Okay, so I generated the build files, and now let's compile in release, for example. Oh, it did compile. Oh, but not everything. Within MIDI player. What's that? Within MIDI player. But there isn't any. That's kind of weird. If I do that, it's not going to compile, right? It's not going to compile. So why is that compiling? It's in player async. Oh, it's a parent. Yeah, it's a parent. Oh, my bad. It's just in the parent. I have a stop function that I can. Yeah, okay, that's okay. I have a stop function that I can override. My bad. I'm just bad. Let's go back to the child. And we have that. I don't have a custom destructor. Let's just do that. Just in case. Because it's a virtual class. It's polymorphic. It's C++. Just in case. And here we are going to override the stop. Probably. Oh. And the reason we do that is because in there, I'm going to put that at the top because it's the class and not the C interface. The reason basically my code is in C++, but I have C bindings to be able to call these functions from Python, for example, and other languages. So stop, and can I feature? Yeah, okay. So player feature, can I? Wait, I don't have void. Yeah. I guess it's just gate or wait. I don't remember. Wait. Because we basically wait for the music to finish. I guess that's wait. Std feature wait. Works until the results become available. That's it. That's it. So if I do that, it should be alright. It should be blocking. Let's just call the super. So something I really like to do is putting, well, actually I can put that in public too, but just using super equals the parents, because in Java, C# and a lot of languages, if you want to access to the parents, you just use super, and with that you can basically just use directly the class, if you are a C++ user, for example. But also you can also use super if you like prefer it that way. And well, right now I do like using super because basically I don't care about what the parent is. I just want to call the parent function. And that's why. If it was specific to a parent, basically if I had two different parents with two functions of the same name, kinda, I would override and call only one specific function of one parent. And in that case, having the name would be useful because it removes ambiguity, I guess. It's not ambiguous anymore, but right now I only have one parent and I just want to call the parent function, so just super is enough. Okay, let me just compile that. I should compile with Visual Studio Code actually. There is a CMake support, but it's alright. So now I compile my C++ code into a dynamic library. And now what I want to do is go into my Python. Where is it? There. Let's go into runtime modules, runtime modules, wrappers. Never mind. I'm going to do that in another terminal. Modules, runtime modules, wrapper, Python, PyMidi music. Okay. And I just want to, I think it's py install dot slash, yeah, pip install, my bad. And basically that's just a wrapper library around my C++ library, but for Python. And that means I'm just updating stuff. Actually, I don't know if it's updated properly right now. No, it's not. No, it's not. I have to do something manual right now. That's quite bad. Wait, so I have dist? Yeah, I have to change that, I think. Never mind. It's not dist. Yeah, that's what I have to update. I should make a script to automatically do that, but not have it yet. Where is it? This? Wait. Is it MIDI? Present MIDI. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I don't have it. Build. I think it's because it's the other build. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Lib present MIDI player. So now I have the two. I can just replace. And if I run my MIDI file again, which is my MIDI file, my Python file, was this one, right? Yeah, play. If I play it again, KU. Oh. Segmentation fault. Hey. Okay, that's not working. That's kind of weird. Wait, there isn't a while true anymore. That's... It is working. So it is not waiting. It is not waiting for the music to finish. Mm. Top. It should go here. Can I maybe just that's bad, but let's just verify if it's going in there. And we have that. We can compile. We can move the DLL. Update the DLL. We can also install again. And we can try to run again. Segmentation fault. And there is no stop called, which is kinda weird. Maybe it's because of Python this time. Stop. Destroyed. Let's check again. If there is a player, then we stop and then we delete. Okay. Let's try to... Yeah. We have stop. There is no stop. It's del, I guess. But I have to check. Oh wait, is that... The music? Okay, that's the library. So, oh. Yeah, my bad. It's the file of the library, so I have to modify it in the original thing. MIDI music. There. I'm going to L and print. Hey, listen. I can try to install. And that's installed. Can run. Segmentation fault. So it's not called. It doesn't seem called. It seems to crash before that. That's kind of weird. Music. That's kind of weird. I do print a bunch of things, which isn't really great. Well, I do that here, actually. Wait, get token. Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. Ah, my bad. Okay. Let's return right here. I can't return. Let's comment all of that. So now I have hey, I have two heys. So that's working. Wait, that's working. I have a hey, which is from the delete. But I still have a segmentation fault, which is after that, which is there. No, it's after it's been destroyed. Okay. After test is destroyed, because if we go to get tokens, we have test, which is a class. We have tokenizer get tokens, and that thing is just an array, so it shouldn't crash. So that means it's test that is crashing, and test inherits from MIDI event receiver. The reason it crashes is because I actually don't know. Wait, I actually don't know. Oh, yeah, I do. I think I do. Do I? Because we play the music. MIDI. Filter. Tokenizer. Get tokens. I'm not. Yeah. I am dispatching the music into test. So if I do that, it shouldn't crash anymore, right? Test isn't defined. What can I do? Let's just get back here and try to copy, I guess. Delete useless things. Command that. Run. Take fault. Oh, test. Test is not defined. Test. I do want that for now. So segfault. Hey, what if I do that? And just get tokens. Hey, segfault. So it doesn't have anything to do with... Okay, you just have to do something with play. Hey, it does. It does. So all of these things are just basically filters. So, well, these things at least, we can remove them without any problem. It's still the same. Oh, what's that? Oh, because I'm tokenizer. Yeah, I guess I have that. So yeah, still it's segfault, basically. So I'm trying to get a minimal code so that I know where the error is from. It doesn't have anything to do with the test class. So just music. We load the music. We play the music, and there's an issue. So play. Yeah, there is an issue. It doesn't wait for the music to play. That's weird. I don't know where the segfault is. I should just make a C++ demo project, actually. I should do that. Why am I not doing that? Wait, why am I not doing that? That's kind of stupid. Yeah, let's make a test file. Runtime modules. FreeSynth MIDI player. I actually have that already. I already have that. Yeah, but it's kinda... It's so big. Can I just run that? What do I do? I can... I guess I can open Visual Studio. Ah, I don't have that because I'm on Linux. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Can I debug? I should be able to do that, right? 2db, yeah, that's debug. Program, enter program name. What? A.out does not exist. Okay, I have to set up that. And debug configuration, yeah, but oh, I can. Enter program name, for example, workspace folder A.out. Yeah, I can just do that. Program name, okay. So my workspace folder, what is it? Can I just keep that? Folder name. Like if I debug, does not exist. Yeah, it doesn't. Get it. Okay. It's not CMake, it's Visual Studio Code. Let's see that. I already have that. FMT, I don't really. I do have CMake. Wait. It's already working. Can I? Okay. It's before. But it's just making a CMake. CMake list. Maybe. Okay. Let's. A.out does not exist. I have to replace, right? But yeah, program path does not exist. C++ compiler, add to path environment variable. Do I have that? Do I have G++? Yeah, I do have G++. And it's in the path because I can use it in the terminal like that. This C++ plugin, I do have that. Visual Studio Code, what the compiler is, and what is the shortcut build and run these files under .vs Code. Create a project, build project, run project. Okay. That's okay. Restart. Okay. Then copy and paste the .vs Code folder every time. I don't care. Create a below main project folder. Download and overwrite the above. Restart your VS Code. Open project in VS Code and run that build run project. Control Shift B. Control F5. Yeah, I can't just build active file. Finish with no error. Oh, it's actually working. Wait. I can build. MIDI music.h not found. Yeah, it's because that there isn't a CMake. That's not active file. It's actually that. No, that. Build. Failed to launch. Okay. Wait. Why succeed? Why success? Oh, it's before. Okay. Hmm. I'm not using Clang. Intelligence mode. Oh, okay. And I'm not on Windows. Yeah, it's not work. It won't work for me. PPP. It's Windows. Discord, Linux, CMake, setup. Is it installed? It is installed. This is CV. I have G++. Let's just, yeah, it's the same thing. Create a CMake project. I mean, okay. Kind for kids. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, seems to be alright. Tool chain, compiler, Inca. Select the compiler you want to use. Oh yeah, select the kit. I do have GCC, and the one I'm using is just this one, I think. So setup. Okay, alright. Hello world. To turn the kit, you can click on the kit. Can I? Can't. This is, oh, in the project stage, okay. It's alright. Text variant. Bug release. I'm not really care about that. Like, okay. Just in case. Yeah. Debug disable optimization. Make configure. Okay. Hope it's alright. Build hello world. So make build. The build button. Okay, so I guess, okay. I have CMake, and there I can select all, but potentially I can change that. I think I actually want to change that. Set build target. Yeah. Okay, so I can put a name. What's the name of my thing again? Okay. Yeah. Set build target, and it's read synth MIDI player standalone. So if I check again, now it is the correct build. Can I can build. I can click that button. Like, there. Configuration failed. Does not contain a CMake. Yeah, it's alright. I mean, yeah. It's just in models. That's normal. Is it supposed to have something? Assets, CMake list. Add subdirection. Yeah, there isn't anything. I can just remove that. I guess. Wait. Yeah, for now. What about sound fonts and dataset? It's alright. Let's build again. So wait, no, it's not building everything, right? Yeah, it's just building the target right now. So build finished with exit 2. What is that? Existing file. What? What? Exited with exit error. What is the error? But wait, what is it? I want to know what it is. Error copying directory. Oh. Oh. From that to that. Build modules and time modules. Synth MIDI player. Debug. Hmm. It's in build. From debug to debug, that's weird, I guess. I do have a lot of stuff. Project outline. Yeah, I do have a few things. Empty project, okay. I do have the standalone, which is there. I can just decide to build that. And it's not working. Build completed, wait. No. Error. Error copying from... Let's just take that. Visual Studio Code. Oh. I don't think I have to remove the folder, right? Right? Anyway, I'm just going to try... I have all of that. Error copying. Let's copy that. We have this path. And we have this one. So we have... whoop. The difference, is there a difference? Build modules, runtime. It's the same thing. No, easy file MIDI parser CPP debug to FreeSynth MIDI player debug. So does that mean easy MIDI file player CPP debug doesn't exist? That's possible. That's really possible. Because it was built with a big B that was existing, right? Yeah. There is no debug here. That's it. That's all. So what if I try to build that first? I can configure. Let's build. Incomplete with errors expected due assets symmetrically. What? Oh, that's because of me. Okay, my bad. Building have been written. It does look like it worked. Yeah, it worked, I think. Probably. Yeah, I hope. I hope. Okay, so now that I have that, where did it build to? To build with a minuscule. Oh, so the small build was a CMake project. Got it. And the big was mine. Okay, got it. That's why it was generating automatically two different build folders. Okay. And yeah, let's just compile that now. And it couldn't. Build module sometime. Yeah, there isn't any... There isn't any build, well, debug folder in there. Lizenz-Medi, wer ist denn der Land? Let's build it again. Oh, I have a lot of errors. Wait. Wait, what? Okay, I guess I got it. Maybe. But that's Hello World. That's not my model. That's not the model I want, I mean. Oh, because I... Where do I have that? Anyway. If I want to build that... Build target. Wait, already? In projects, build. If I go in there... Well, wait, did I build the wrong thing? Modules, runtime... Yeah, I do want to remove that, I think. Let's just remove that. Yeah. Ooh, removed. Now, if I make build that clean, for example, and build modules, runtime modules, insert ONNX. Downloading ONNX. What? Not supposed to download it right now. It's already downloading ONNX runtime. Oh. I guess that's because I didn't use okay. Can I stop that? I can't. Hey. Okay. So, what I actually want is I want to put flags in my CMake project. Because by default everything is on, and I want to put that at false. Visual Studio Code option false. Separate config in launch.json. Let's go to launch.json. That's my thing, I guess. Configurations, they have multiple ones. And there I want to add another one, apparently. I don't want to do all of that. I don't want to do all of that. Just taking my head right now. I guess I could copy. Name type request. Yeah. Okay. Let's just try that. But we all know it's kind of, you know. Okay. Right there, I'm going to put my custom thingies. That should be at the end, I guess, but let's just do that here for now. I have asset path. Well, all of that actually. Oof. We can just control D. Oof. That to that. Ident. And everything is just going to be false. And comma. It's not allowed. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean it's not allowed? Oh. Settings. To avoid run CMake on specific folder. Can do that. Host directory. I can't add up. I want to add options. Do I have a... I don't even have a command to execute here. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. CMake. Let's put that to false by default. And let's try again. Wait, a lot of things disappeared. Project outline. Oh, because I have to targets. That's what I want. Refresh project statue. I can't. Oh, download. But I don't want you to download that. Stop it. Get some help. Wait, did it really download? Build. What do you mean? You're already downloading everything. Like. Let's remove that. VS Code, CMake, stop. Interrupt. That's incredible. I can't stop that. I can't stop it. How can I stop that? I can't. Okay. Configuration is already in progress. What do you mean? I just want to stop it. And yeah, that doesn't work. Right? Or maybe it is actually. Or maybe it did. It did work. Okay, so if I refresh. I can't see anything. Oh. Oh. Never mind. I do have that. Let's just build. Finished. Project outline. It's not supposed to finish like that. Configure. It's not supposed to be empty. It isn't, right? No, it isn't. Runtime modules. Oh, never mind. It's this one. But even this one is not. Well, oh, actually that one should be... Ha 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 ha. Got it. My bad. My bad. If I did that, and like, maybe refresh, edit class and configure. It disappeared. Oh, no, it's here. Yeah, okay, so that was that. Okay, got it. Got it, got it. So we got that. CMake. So we have easy thingy. Let's build that. Build, 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 build. It finished. And refresh. We have the build folder, we have modules, we have runtime, we have easy, and we have makefile, and we have no debug folder. Okay. Building CXX object, linking, build target. We just build the target. I mean, it didn't build anything, right? Like, I have .o files in, wait, what? Modules runtime. CMake files. It's in a subfolder of, wait. No, it isn't. It isn't here. Wait. CMake files. It's in builds, right? I guess it is. CMake files, yeah. It's here. CMake files. And I have a bunch of stuff. And I have the .o and .od, which are just the compile files. Which are just like basically the .cpp files that have been compiled and that have to be linked. It's kind of funny. Anyways. So yeah, I have my... Oh, I actually have it. Wait, I didn't see it before, but I have it. I have my compiled file, so it's working. And now, if I go into there, for example, build finish with, okay, copying debug to that. Oh, I got it. It's because of my CMake. Yeah, I got it. Because of my CMake code. Because I'm trying to copy stuff. Okay. Because of the custom commands. It's not going to work, right? It is because I did something weird. What if I try now? Build finished. Wait, is it really working? What the fuck? Is it really working? What the fuck? Why? That's so weird. Okay. And wait, how do I run it? Because we have compiled the library, but I want to run that. And that is build. Yeah, let's build that. And it doesn't work because it's trying to copy stuff. Let's remove the custom commands. So it has been written, so it is working, right? If I try to run that, how do I run that? Debug. Unable to find GDB. Do I have GDB? Oh, I don't. I actually don't. I actually don't know my password. Oh, is that? Yeah, okay, that's it. Yeah, probably. Basically, GDB is just a tool to debug C++. Because basically Visual Studio is just a framework with a lot of things, but since we are using Visual Studio Code, which is just a text editor, we need to have the compiler that is G++ or GCC, and we need the debugger, which is GDB. So, okay, I did download it. What if I try to run it now in debug? Oh, it is working. Oh, that's actually my first time running C++ like that. I don't think so, actually, but it's not doing... Wait. What is it doing? Not doing anything, is it? It's just loading symbols right now. What do you mean? What are you doing? While, oh, is it because of that? That, why do I, okay, I think, why do I have that? I think it was for some music, but, what? That's so funny. I even have a breakpoint there. I don't want to put a breakpoint there. Let's try to run it again. Build finish. Yeah, I didn't want to build it. I wanted to run it. Hey, it works! We have breakpoints in Visual Studio Code with C++. Oh, okay. That's nice. If... Oh, I have to put that right. I didn't put anything. It's supposed to work, right? Why? Because it's in the scene. It's supposed to work. Wait, what do you mean? I entered something. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, no, never mind. Okay, let's redo. Okay, it's N. I need to enter. My bad. Wait, what? Couldn't open file. Assets. Oh, wait. Do I have that? Assets path. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that. Yeah, I did a new system. I made a new system. That's supposed to be that. Yeah, it's kind of ugly too, right? So yeah, I have to fix that. I have to do the settings.json. So that's... Oh, it's actually in... Oh. It's actually in... Okay. Yeah. I do want to use it in C++, but that means adding a new library to parse JSON. And I don't really want that, so maybe just a neither file could be good. But it's kind of... I don't really want to, you know. Let's just get in there. Copy. Paste. And... Do I have the sound font? Yeah, right there. I'm just going to do the same. I can actually... No, it's just the file, right? I shouldn't do that, right? Debug. And... Eh? Couldn't open file. What do you mean? Assets. Oh. Got it. Oh. Can I actually just... pass? Music, compile definition. Is that just... workspace? Path equals that. Yeah, basically just that. And now I should be able to just use that instead of asset path. But yeah, asset path is nice, I guess. Let's keep that. Because we know it's an asset, right? Oh, messages on Twitch. What? Greetings, oh. Oh, well, thank you, little guy, who just sent me GMs. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Let me just reply to you. Okay. So let's just debug. And N, and we have scene. We just so we have the music. It's working. The problem is that okay, the volume is okay. It's just a bit weird. Okay. Yeah, it's just really weird because it doesn't stop, basically. It doesn't stop the nodes. But we have the C++ thing and we have the debugger, so now we can just reproduce what we had in Python. And we can check where the segfault is. It's actually, it's actually the first time I do deep learning on stream. Like, it's my first, because it's just my research, basically. And yeah, I just set up C++ on Visual Studio Code, so that isn't really deep learning, but just let me show you. Because yeah, it's just someone talking, not in chat, but, just... By the way, feel free to just speak in chat. I don't know why you're not speaking in chat. But yeah, I just have models. Butterflies. Hey, look at these butterflies. Incredible. You're amazing. Just talk in chat. Why DMing me? What's the next? Oh. What do I want to do on my channel? I don't know. I don't have basically just someone asking me about a goal I have on my channel, and I don't really have any specific goal on my channel. It's more... It's not about my channel, actually. Because I guess the more the better, right? The more followers, the more money, the more... I don't know, the better, right? But I don't have a goal, a specific target in mind. And I guess it's more... Well, I'd like to make my company to make video games one day. And I guess I kinda want to be in a good community and to have, people, I guess, following me to play my games, for example. Or, for example, I set up a Discord server to help indie games and for jams to, basically be in a good community for that and help each other and, just learn a bunch of stuff. Basically, I just want to learn. I love learning. And I love earning money too. So I think that's a nice thing. Yeah, just, making a nice community for everyone to be in. Just, help each other, I guess. I hope it replies too. But I hope it answers your questions. And yeah, we have some butterflies. Even more butterflies. Oh, sorry. Um, uh, okay. So yeah, let's go on. Well, I was crashing before, right? So let's just go back to that. Let's go back to the crash. It's kind of brutal, but, you know, we need that. Music, do. Let's close everything, actually. Edit to vector, that was it, right? It was why it was crashing. Music generation. By dodge, training module. So, wait, what? Get tokens. Hey. Yeah, I do have that. I did do that. And now I only have a minimal example, which is opening, loading, playing, and that's it. And it's supposed to crash. So if I go back to my C++, okay, yeah, that's because I have the while true that is working. So let's remove that. If I go into that main, I have the while 1. While, okay, 1, basically 0 is false, and 1, or over any number other than 0 is true. So yeah, I can actually write 0, but it's just false. It's the same thing. Debug. So right now I am playing. And it works. Wait, it works. It actually works. Why is that working? It's not supposed to work. It's not supposed to work. I mean, yeah, it becomes kinda weird, but it's alright. Okay. And thank you for the follow, by the way, Cesar. Didn't see that. I really have to set that up. Oh, Code Hunt. Wait. Code Hunt followed. Wait, I didn't see that guy. mm. Let's maybe just put true back, I guess. Never mind. I actually don't need that. But I still have a lot of stuff. Convert. Yeah. Printer. Yeah, because I'm printing stuff. I have the sound font, I have the player, I have the... Yeah, but I'm not using the same functions as in Python, which is a problem. Because if I want to debug it, I have to use the same things. So let's do that. And what are we doing in Python? We call get tokens. Okay. We are making a class that is not even... Oh. Wait, that's not it. Edit to vector. I feel like I have actually two different files, which is kind of weird. Like, look at that. I have modules data analysis edit to vector. And I have modules, training modules. Oh, that's why. Yeah, that's why. I think I just copied that. Oh, never mind. Wait, what? Why do I have so many things? Oh, that might explain why it wasn't working. No, never mind. It's still supposed to not crash. Okay, so it's this one. So it's data analysis module that I modified. Yeah, got it. In this one, I just create MIDI music. So it's basically just that MIDI music create. So MIDI music create. No, I can just do auto music. It's, auto is not good, but it's basically just MIDI music. So we have a pointer. We also have opening the JSON, loading the JSON, and basically loading the music from that. So load from file is actually just that. So I can go back. I have that function, which is a C function. It has the music as the first parameter, as you can see. It has the file name or the path, which is just basically, in the case of Python, it was just the path, right? So it's actually just settings that is on. Is it? I think it's just that. Right. Right. Yeah, that should be it. Undefined, what do you mean? Is it because I didn't include utilities.h? Is that better? Yeah, it is. Good. And I have to put this thing. Okay. And now that I load from file, Python, load from file, I play it, okay? So I just, in play, with the sound font, right? So I do have a bunch of stuff. It player, I think. Okay, got it. I basically get that, which is the player. Music play. Wait. Yeah, no, that's Python. Wait, where am I? I'm in the wrong place. Uh-oh. Okay, there. So I have the player. I can remove that because it's just a library. I have the two functions. I have the music object. I have the path of the sound font file, which is just this path. Oop. Oh, yeah, it just, encode is not, we don't care about that because it's in UTF-8 right there, I guess. So this function is in fitsint player async.h. Fitsint player async.h. Oh, hey people! Let me just show you. I just see that a lot of people just, you know what? I'm actually gonna put a small picture on the bottom. Can I copy that? I can. Ooh. And just on top, just going to put it on the side. I don't know. Oh. Just want to do something like that, you know, with a little butterfly, just to show people that there is a nice little butterfly. Anyway, so play async. That uses the player. So the player is just that. And yeah, the player has first for type just present player async. So that should be it, right? And that should play a music. But we are not waiting for it. So if we try to run that, it should crash. It should just crash. Maybe. Let's just try it, because I don't know actually. I need that. I used too much GD script recently and Python. Okay, I bought it. Yay! It crashes! Oh, couldn't abandon. Oh, wait, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not good. It doesn't. It can't open the file, but the path is valid. Hmm. 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 I don't like that. Should I put the full path? Oh, that would be kinda bad. Okay. Let's go back into the code. So we only have the relative path from asset. And if I go, for example, there, I can copy path. And I can do something ugly like that, which is enough. And in C++, you can just combine strings without putting anything in between. And it just works, basically. So we can just do that. And you can just run again. And now... Hey, what's that? Wait. Wait, what happened? What happened? Did it just compile? Oh, it just finished. There wasn't anything. Nothing happened. Error. A session failed. A session. Hmm. Hmm. Present breakpoint. What's but what's breakpoint? Oh, wait, what? Oh, oh. Okay. New shit scenes. Okay. So right there in the create, it just was an exception. So there is an exception about it. New print scene. The setting is not correct. I don't. Oh, I can just continue, okay. But it just crashes. I mean, it's not doing anything anyways. What if I do that? I can actually just do that. Basically, it's just an infinite loop. Oh, it is working. It is working. It is weird, but it is working. It's not... The timing is not correct. But it's alright. It's not crashing. What? What? Wait. I'm not really... That's a bit weird. Okay. Um, just getting DMs on Twitch, but it's kind of weird. Just Twitch telling me that it might be a spam, you know? And that may not be wrong, you know? Just saying. Mm. Well, true. So this is working, but it should be able to, because I run the thing async. I have the player, and I guess I didn't delete that. I guess that's something I do in Python that I didn't do, because in Python, even if I don't have much after that, even if I have nothing, I delete basically the different things. So I delete MIDI music, and what it does is deleting, well, MIDI music, right? Oh. If I, wait. I can call that. What if I do that? Because I'm deleting MIDI music, but not the async player. Am I? Okay, it's working. Can I just write true after that? Can I... What if I just run? It makes me select something. Yeah, I don't really... Okay, never mind. Let's just debug like that. We got it! We got it! The exception, that's it! That's because of the player! We got it! Hey! We got it! That's good! Let's go! We found it! That's great! How can we fix that now? How can we fix that? We can't. We can't. So when I destroy the music, what do I have inside? Wait, because I'm creating that from the music, right? I have the player, I create the player, I load, and I'm creating the player from the music. And right there, I just do, I assign, I guess. Listen, play, yeah, dot music. Okay. So. While true, destroy. Yeah, I guess I just have to destroy the player first, right? Maybe not. I have to stop the loop because it's just playing. Wait, where is it playing? I forgot. If I destroy the player first, what is it doing actually? I'm wondering. Oh, I guess it's just a stop. Wait, if I look in there, I have MIDI music. I have deal. And remove that. Oh, it's not. Never mind. I have MIDI music destroy. But it's just MIDI music. I have the player. I didn't destroy the player. In stop, I am destroying the player. But I'm not doing that in... Wait, what? I'm not doing that. I'm not stopping the player. Interesting. What if I try to do that though? Let's not delete it directly. Let's call that. Oh. Boom. Stopping. That's it? Oh, because while true. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so is it working? Stopping. It doesn't crash anymore. It doesn't crash anymore. So it was just that I forgot to call that. Wait. Let's try again. Did it crash with that? Yeah, it did crash with that. So I just have to destroy that. Player stop. Future, wait. Okay, got it. So I can just remove that. Okay, now that I am waiting, it is good. So I just have to get into the item library, which is in there. Can remove that little message. And in delete, instead of just doing that, I can also stop. So if delete, if it isn't none, then self that player is not none, then I can just stop. Can I? Yeah, self that stop. That's it. That's it, and that's all. So let's go back to the library. Let's install that. And let me just okay. And that should be it. I just build my Python library. Data analysis. Okay. Now it should be alright. Now I should be able to play it, right? I go back into what? That. I try to run. Stopping? Stopping? Why is it stopping? So it is working. Okay, it's just, you know, weird, but I can't stop it. Okay, got it. Yeah, I can't stop it. That's the problem. Because it's just waiting for the feature to, you know. But that means it's working. That's good. Let's go. Ah, that's great. That's great. That's great. That's really great. I wonder if it should wait for the future or try to quit the music, basically. But I guess it's fine for now. I guess it's fine. So now I can... Oh, I actually can't. Wait. MIDI to vector. So I have two MIDI to vectors. I have one there, and I have another one right here for music generation. And if I put it there, it's just to... I don't remember actually. What is this one doing? Yeah, it is playing stuff. But it's not. It's not playing. Oh, yeah, it's not playing because of that. Wait, it is supposed to play. Wait, it is supposed to play. What do you mean? The bug. It is supposed to play. Music, play. I just try that. Yeah, it is playing. Yeah, it is playing. Why is it stopping though? Can you just restart? Stopping. So it is calling stopping. Is that why? Is that just why? Is it because when the music ends... Okay, I mean, it's alright. Right? Yeah. Music play. I don't have to play it, but I can test. I can dispatch it in test. Play. Up. Yeah, I'm just trying that. It's a bit weird because in C++ it's waiting, right? It's waiting for the future, but right now it's not waiting anymore. It's not because of the dispatch, right? If I do that and that and call get tokens on top, what is it going to do? Play? It is playing. So that means the future is waiting. So if I do that now, is it playing? Because it's dispatching now. And now it isn't. Now it just stops. Dispatch. What if I don't dispatch? What? What? What do you mean? Wait, what? Wait, Control C? KC, I mean? It isn't playing? What now? It isn't playing. Wait, what? It was playing just before. What? What? Why? Why? Okay. What if I create that? It's stopping. What the fuck? Why is that? Now if I control Z, it's not anymore. What if I comment? It's not. What if I add that? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's kind of random idea. I guess the Python file isn't waiting the C++ program. Actually, it depends. It's kind of undefined behavior, I guess. Right. Because, never mind. No, it's supposed to wait. It is supposed to wait. I don't... Kind of weird. Hmm. What now? It displays, but it doesn't play the music. Which is weird. Which is weird. Like, why? Why are you not playing the music? What if I while true? There, for example. It's not doing anything. What if I go in the token thing and just while do that? It is working. So I guess it's because of the destructor, right? It is because of the destructor. Oh, I'm so stupid. Yeah, of course, because we just delete. Yeah, we just delete. That makes sense. And I guess it's because... Okay. Ah. It's alright, it's alright. Anyway, we don't have to worry about that, I guess. I can just return the music first. And play the music potentially in here. That should be good. Listen. Can do that as a top, I guess. I can use that everywhere. Yeah, it's displaying. Now if I close, it's stopping. Oh my god, it's not even a seg fault. Wait. Stopping. Why is it stopping though? It's not supposed to display stopping. Oh, it's because I didn't reinstall the library. Is it? Yeah. Okay, so to make, I have build. Let's build that. So it is built. We have DLL. We have that. We can just drag and drop. I can just install again. Can just go back. Yeah. Do that. No, not this one. This one. Yay. I can just try to run debug so that we can stop at any time. And stopping. It's still stopping. Why is it stopping? It really has to do with music, right? MIDI music. Because I don't have stopping anymore in there. What didn't stop? I don't have any stop. Yeah, okay, it was here. But I don't have any more stopping anymore. Oh, that's because I copied the wrong DLL. It's lib Fritz Synth MIDI player, but I also have easy. Right. No, it's actually the correct one. That's what's weird. Oh, wait, I did copy this one. Fritz missed. Okay. 1, 2. Let's install again. Let's play it again. No, not this one. This one. Stopping. I don't know, okay? I don't know. I don't know why he's doing that. Ah, but it's alright. It's alright. Okay. So yeah, we have a very simple player, which is great, actually. Because this thing was a bit too long. Like, really, really too long. And this thing is really simple to understand. We just load the... Well, we just create the MIDI music, then we load the content, then we create a player with the sound font, then we play the player, then we destroy. That's it. That's it. That's all. And that's fine. Yes, I have that. Oh yeah, I did want to play it, I guess. Let's go in what? In there. So I have different things. Times, notes, channels, like a lot of stuff. And basically what I want is to teach my model what to do with that. So yeah, if I run that, yeah, I just run it. So yeah, I do have a graph actually. I am displaying a graph. So with that graph, let's just stop the play. And yeah, the goal is just to create a similar image basically. So the grid is made out of tokens. Tokenizer, yeah. Yeah. The tokenizer is build tokens from nodes 1. What is it? I forgot. Helper. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And this one is just get tokens from node. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's splitting. And putting either 1, either 0. I guess I can try to teach my AI something like that. It's really simple, but it's some kind of mask, basically. So if I get the music tokenize, let's check out my DDIM, which is training modules. DDIM, butterflies, yeah, butterfly. Inference. What is that? Am I using that? I'm not using. But this one I'm using it, but this one is not. Oh, inference. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, it's inference. So can I wait? Can I just run that from pre-trained? I have the folder. I'm generating a bunch of small images, and I save them in folder name assets model. DDIM butterflies. In inference peak. It's just that. It's just really small because it's, you know. Oh wait, close it. Wait. But yeah, okay, that's just inference. And okay. Yeah. And basically I want to copy the training potentially. So yeah, it's a very big file that I could divide in multiple subfiles. But for now, I just try to go for what's easier, I guess. Not for what's cleanest, you know. They have different blocks for the unit. Oh yeah, that was for the flowers. Can I actually... Media to vector. Hmm. 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 I can just copy all of that and change things, but... Eh. Eh. I think I actually did something. Diffusion... No, I actually don't have anything right now. Wait, I didn't even start that. That's impressive. So the training is the same. The results are the same. I'm just opening. And the training is... I define the functions just before, with saving the checkpoint and stuff to load it later, if I stop in the middle of the training. I have function to display, function to evaluate the model, some kind of... Yeah, it's just inference, right? Image grid. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's... Yeah, that's inference. Training. The scheduler, I'm making the model, building the model. And wait, right now I'm loading the data set. Preprocessed data. Yeah, okay. I'm preprocessing the data of the data set. And right here I am loading the data set. And the config. Yeah, okay. Got it. I could definitely divide that in multiple subfiles, but I don't really want to, you know, how can you say that? Pollute my workspace. Because right now what is really great is that each Python file is basically independent. So I guess I would have to make a folder if I want to make it, you know, linked together, but yeah. DDIM, butterflies. Yeah, no, that's not great, but look at this one! And look at this one! It's really great. I love that. Like, this one is, like, so pretty. This one is so pretty. I love it. Yeah, others are not bad too. Well, it depends, but, you know, it's what it's. Anyway. So yeah, I do have Python files, and I can copy that. I aim, paste, and let's say it's music. I guess what I can do, I have the configuration. I have, oh wait, I forgot something. Let's remove that for now. We have the music, right? If you run the music, well, it's not playing any sound, but we have that. We have an image. And oh, wait, it's actually 2D. Yeah, I did that. I did do it. It's actually 2D, so it's an image. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's actually great. I think I just switched two things though. Reshape, transpose. Can I just do that? Or maybe just... I don't want to transpose. Oh, I actually have this code commented on top. The thing is, my picture is being rotated. It's kind of weird. So it depends on how you want to read it. But for example, right now, yeah, no, right now it's really weird. Because 0, 16. Oh, I got it. Because of that. Yeah, now it's great. Now it's just great. Well, it's hard to read. Okay, I think I understand why I transposed it, but it's basically reading from left to right and up to down right now, and before it was reading from up to down, left to right. So it's kind of different, you know, the priority. So basically at the beginning we have no nuts, so that's why it's empty. And then we have some nuts, but it's not, you know, it's at regular intervals. And that's why it's centered. And that's why I made my data like that. So it's a 2D image. So it's actually working. So we actually have an image from the music. So yeah, you can actually copy that and just paste it. And we have DDM music. This is actually, that should be true. It's not used. Not used. And as long as it's true, it should work. So okay, have that. Wait, no. Loading the data set. Yeah, I don't care about the butterfly. Yeah, right now it's basically just erasing everything. And replacing it with flowers. I actually... But it's going to train if I do that. DM music. It's a nice flower, right? And now it's going to train. Epoch 0. Yeah, it is training. How many epochs? I forgot. 50. That's like a lot. Let's not do that. But yeah, basically that looks like it's working for the flowers, so let's just replace the flower thing with, you know. Where is it actually? Training. It's right here. Okay, instead of floating a flower, we are just going to edit to vector to get that, I guess. Like that. The thing is, in Python, you can't really, well, actually, yeah, you can't easily include files, I guess. It's kind of tricky because you have to make modules, but yeah, you just have to make modules. I could put that in my Python library, I guess. It would be kinda ugly, but actually, yeah, it will be ugly, but it would be like so. So what? I mean, so easy to modify stuff. Yeah, yeah. Mm. I actually want to try that. Let's put it in training modules, runtime wrapper, by MIDI music, MIDI to vector. Okay, I have that. Import. I have that. In it, it's importing everything. Yeah, let's just put it here. And let's install again. And now if we go into training modules, PyTorch. I did close that. Wait, what? Yeah, image training. Oh. Oh. I got it. Yeah, I put it in the wrong place, but it's alright. It's alright. So let's say we have that. I can now import MIDI. What? That. Ooh. And from by MIDI music, I can also import MIDI to vector. Hey, now I should be able to do that, for example, dot get tokens. Ooh, that's so simple. I love that. Get tokens, so you have a bunch of things. If main, I can basically just do that. Can remove that. I can remove that. Can remove that. Yeah. And I can also call it this way. Oh, and we did it. Can remove that. So image, okay. And plot show image. Right now I'm displaying music. So let's check if it's working. It is working. Woo! And then displaying the flower. Okay, but yeah, I can remove that basically. Datadict. So yeah, I have my grid basically. I have my grid. And it's just EM show. Yeah, it's just an EM show. It's actually the same stuff. So yeah, it's actually the same stuff. I can actually just have my grid. And actually that's, you know, image equals grid. if I run, I just have my show, em show, and that's working. It's kind of weird, but it's working. That's good. That's just good. Perfect. Okay. So I have that image. What I want to do is to train that, but the problem is no attribute convert. It shouldn't crash here. And the reason it crashes is because the difference is that this is a peer image and create is a NP image. It's different. But I don't want to, you know, to convert like RGB preprocess. I don't want to convert that. Just image. So now it's displaying, okay? And now unexpected type class list. That example is in. In case it's not the correct type. Because right now I set the transform. I have my image, one image. I decide to create a dictionary, basically just my data set, and I assign yeah, okay, yeah, I just assign a lot of images to simulate. I have a big data set, so I do that with one image, and I assign to image from dict. So I create the actual data set because I just had a dictionary. So I could create the actual data set from the dictionary. I set the format, which is NumPy, and which is true because I have a NumPy array. That's kind of weird, actually. Anyway. Oh, I had that. I did have that. Anyway. So yeah, then I have my lambda. It's not a lambda. It's just a lazy evaluated class, I guess. Function, you can say. It's lazily evaluated, basically. It's similar to a lambda. It's a functor. It's just a functor. Yeah, you can see that it's just a functor. We'll check. Convert. Yeah, this is like totally wrong, okay? This is like so bad. I shouldn't criticize at all for this kind of, you know, it's for the music, I mean. Because it's not a square at all, right? Right? That's stupid, but that's alright. No, to tensor. To tensor, I mean. Yeah, because I want to, okay, and normalize. Because right now it's from, well, it's either 1, either 0, actually. Okay. So yeah, we preprocess. Let's say it's okay. We resize is bad, but it's going to work with the model because right now the size of the model, well, the input size, the input dimension is, just the image size. Like that, I mean. Well, I could change the image size, to be honest, without touching that. Which should be, like, more better, I guess. Instead of resizing, I should just crop because it just, entering the data in a bad way. Distorting the data. The image is convert to RGB because okay. Yeah, when I run that, what is it saying again? Convert does not exist in image, right? Because it's an NP array and not a pill image. So can I just maybe NP array to pill image? That I can just try that. To have the exact same stuff. The image is just a pill image. That should be the same right now. It's just supposed to show the graph first, I guess. No, it's not showing anything useful. But I guess it's because it's an image. And one is like really, it's like gray, so I guess it makes sense I can't see that. Yeah, should I maybe put like, oh, such file or directory? Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah, I don't have anything yet, yeah. What do you want? I don't have any checkpoint, yeah. Resume. Oh, so I can't resume, yeah. But wait. Oh yeah, I have to remove that. Guess that's why. I have to remove that folder. Every time. Something I did wrong, but it's alright. So we have an array. We have the music actually, that's really good. This is like so dark. I have the grid. Can I just multiply that by... It's just going to multiply the... I want to multiply every element. So for I in grid, for G in grid, in I, we have just G equals, maybe not, just grid. Oh. I'm actually not sure if it's by copy or not. Let's range. Let's do that just in case. Is it working? No, not. It's just length. Can I just use length? I should be able to. Oh, it's just len. And now I can just ID, and it's just going to be multiplied by 255. Let's try that. 255, yeah, no, actually it should be good. Oh, it's not RGB though. It's not RGB, it's just one. Oh, so I guess it's not working. Int has no length. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I only have one dimension per pixel. One feature. Oh, that's going to be a hassle. Because I actually have to modify the model now. Can I actually try that with butterflies, like black and white images? And, you know, just doing stuff. Like, yeah, with the R channel, for example. Train my butterflies. Train my model on the red channel of butterflies, for example. Or flowers. Yeah, flowers too, I guess. Because I mean, it's not supposed to be difficult, but you know, if I touch the model, I might break it. And I don't want that to happen, and just to realize after that, well, it didn't work. So it's when I'm building the model. Why is it? Now use scheduler. Yeah, that. Basically, I have in channels. Yeah, RGB, that's it. So if I modify that to 1, and right here it's supposed to crash because it's displaying, basically. And now RGB, I have multiple times that. 2 times. Make grid, so okay, it's just to show. Transform and transform. The first one is actually for butterflies. No, never mind. No, the first one. The second one is for the flowers. I guess I can just put R. Because it's just R. It's not RGB. And if I try, it's going to break, but at the correct place, I hope. Hey, it's actually showing something. Can I just zoom? There's nothing right. Okay. F2R. Yeah, that's what I thought. I actually don't have to convert anything. Right. Oh, it's actually working. It's actually working. I can't believe it. It's actually, wait. It's actually working on the first try. What the fuck? Okay, it's going to train the model. And it's going to be very long, actually. I just hope YouTube won't suffer too much. But it should be alright. I kinda wanna eat something now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's going to be very long. I guess I'm going to make documents in the meantime. I guess I'm just going to do a bunch of stuff. Like cooking, actually. Yeah, I'm just going to cook. It's like 8 p.m., right? So, okay. But, well. The stream is just going to change totally. Like, the title is going to be like from AI to cooking, or I don't know, you know. Anyways, I'm probably gonna stop because I just basically tested if deep learning was kind of interesting people, but I guess, you know, playing people's game is, you know, it interests people more. It makes sense. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to continue streaming that. But I mean, it's a great motivation for me because I don't like stopping streams, and that makes me like just focus on developing and programming. And actually, that's all that matters, though. So even if people don't like, I'm actually wondering if I should stop or not because, like, I set up my VS Code for C++, and that's something I never did, I think. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, probably never did. I don't remember doing that. And yeah, like fixing the breakpoint with the breakpoint, the segmentation fault, this kind of stuff. Just I feel like in 3 hours I progressed so much, more than what I did last month. Well, I mean I wasn't on that project, but it makes sense. Anyway, I'm gonna stop for now. Thank you for watching, or you know, if you watch the VOD, this kind of stuff. And oh, bye bye. Oh, just telling you, yeah, just switching first, and just to tell you that I guess I'm going to show you the progress one day, and when it's going to be finished, ideally, and just wait for that and enjoy.